Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am Nishtha Jain and today we'll be making a waterfall card. This is how it looks. That you pull it up and it forms a waterfall card, right? So in order to make this card, you need to have scale, pencil, scissors, glue and A4 size sheets of different colors. So let's start. First of all, you need to have pencil and scale, and on one of this sheet, you have to mark 5 centimeters on one corner, then 5 centimeters on the other corner, and then join these and form a 5 by 5 centimeters of a square. You have to cut the square. So rather than cutting it again and again and rather than drawing it, what you can do is just put it on this sheet and cut it from here only, and you need to have 5 of them. So after cutting it 5 of them, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you need to have a rectangle of 25 by 5 centimeters. So you can take it of any color. First you need to mark the width of 5 centimeters and then the length of 25 centimeters. And after drawing it on the sheet, you need to cut it. Now when you have this rectangle of 25 by 5 centimeters, from one corner you have to mark a point which is 4 centimeters from here. I'm repeating it, it is 4 centimeters from there. Again on the other corner as well 4 centimeters, then join it into a line. After doing this, you have to mark 6 points which are each of 1 centimeter gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points over here. You have to do the similar step on the opposite side as well. After making these points, you have to join them into lines like this. Now when you're done with these, you have to make the folds on these lines. See, I am only folding it in the front. I have first fold. Make sure you're pressing it well first. Then the second one. Third. You have to do the similar step for all of them. Now when you're done with all these folds will look something like this, right? In the front, now I have this last fold and the front is this small part and this at the back we have this larger part. What you have to do is, in this small part right here on the top, you have this part, right? The one I have shaded, here only you have to put some glue. Do not put the glue in any other part. Just put the glue right like this and paste the first square on the top of it right here. Make sure you press it well and it is dried well. Now when it is dried well, you have to fold it back. You have another line. On this another line again, you have to put some glue and you have to paste another square on it. Make sure on each line one square should be pasted. It should be pasted well and it should be dried and pressed well as well. So done. Now after doing this, fold it back again, press it, then put some glue on the another one and paste the another square on it. Do the similar things with all these and paste 5 of the squares which you cut in the first step. Now when you've pasted all 5 of these squares, you'll be left with this small part right here at the last, this one. Now on this, you just have to leave this like this and just leave this card for now like that. Now you have to take another sheet and on that sheet you have to cut a square of 15 by 2.5. 2.5 by 15, right? So I'm going to cut it. Now I've drawn it and I'm cutting it. After cutting it, it looks something like this. On on this rectangle, you have to make 2 points. From this part you have to mark 5 centimeters. I am writing it here, 5. Then from that point only again you have to mark another 5 centimeter point. Now there are 2 points each of gap 5 centimeters from there. Now you have to take this card and you see this last back part of it and you see this strip. You have to paste this back part, this strip at the back of this part like this, in between these 2 points, and it will look something like this when you paste it. So you have to paste it. I've just adjusted it. You have to put the glue and paste it there. After doing this, you will see that it has been pasted right here. Half part of it is coming here and half here. Now what you have to do is, at the back it looks something like this. In this back strip you have it, right? Now you have to take a new paper. You have to fold it half in order to form a card. Press it from one side, open it up, and inside this part right here you have to paste this like this. Now the 2 parts where you have to put the glue are 1 and 2. Do not put the glue anywhere in between or inside it. Just let it be like that. Put the glue right here and right here as well, and just paste it somewhat like this. And just make sure that it is pressed well and let it be dried for now. After it is dried, for the first time when you are opening the card, when you will pull it down, make sure you are pressing each time it is coming down. Press it like this and make sure you are using the hard paper for it. The A4 size sheets should be hard enough in order to handle all these folds, right? Now this is the last one. When you will be done with all the foldings, make sure each of these creases are pressed well. Now the waterfall card looks something like this. In this you can paste either the pictures or you can even write messages on each one of these squares. And it is completed. I hope you enjoyed the video and make sure you send your pictures in the group. Thank you.